My phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, welcome to day 10 of my Phonics Boost. Day 10, can you believe it? Well done on that dedication that you've shown for coming back for 10 days. That is amazing. I am very proud of you, and hopefully you are seeing an improvement with your phonics skills already. But I think we've got some more to do. So let's turn our phonics brains on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Now, I'm sure you know our focus sounds by now, so let's see if you do. Have a go. Did you get them? Don't worry if not. Right, let's have a listen. N, p, g, I, o. Now it is going to be your turn again. Are we ready? Excellent. Do you think you can do it faster? Are we ready? That was pretty quick. Do you think you can do it even faster? I think you can. Whew, definitely very quick. Now, of course, we're not forgetting these sounds. Are you ready? Excellent. I know you can do these ones quicker. Are we ready? Excellent. Right, let's put them together. Get your phonics brains working. Can you do them all? Let's go. Excellent, well done. Now, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the O sound. Now remember, the O sound is a short sound. O, O, O. My turn first. O, O, O. Excellent. Now we've had a practice saying the sound, let's find some objects that start with the O sound. Right, phonics superheroes, in my magic box I've got some objects that start with the O sound and some that don't, and I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh, not again. I think we need our phonics magic. What's our spell? Excellent. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see. Phew. Oh, I've got some tricky objects again. Might need my help. Let's see. Are we ready? Orange. Yes. Glove. No. Oh, now this is an ostrich. Yes. Pig. No. And this is an otter. Yes, otter starts with the O sound. Right, now that you've sorted out the objects, now you know if they start with the O sound or if they don't. I'm going to put them back in and I'm going to pull them out much quicker. Are you ready? Excellent, that was so fast. Well done. Right, we're now going to focus on our superhero listening skills and practice our oral blending. Right then, phonics superstars, let's practice our listening. I'm going to sound the word out and I want you to blend it together. O, n. On. D, o, g. Dog. M, o, p. Mop. Excellent listening. Now let's practice reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, for our new O words, I'm going to sound them out first, then it's going to be your turn. We ready? O, n, on. Your turn. On. My turn. D, o, g. Dog. Your turn. Dog. My turn. M, o, p. Mop. Your turn. Mop. Excellent. Right, now we've done them once, just you now. On. Dog. Mop. Excellent. Are you ready for a challenge word? I know you can do it, my phonics superheroes. Today's challenge word is object. My turn first. O, b, j, e, k, t. Object. Your turn. Object. Excellent. Right, your turn again. Object. Well done. Right, now it's time to rewind and go over some words that we've already been learning. Right, just you. In. Pit. Excellent. Right, now for this word, I'm going to see if you can just remember it. Let's see. Gap. Excellent. Right, want to hear you sound it out? Gap. Well done. Time to move on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is was. 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 Excellent. Let's go over our tricky words. Can you remember them? You. Go. Right, I'm going to say them as well. So, you. Go. Excellent. Let's put that in with our new one. So, was. You. Oh. Go. Excellent. Right. Just you this time. Was. You. Go. Excellent. Well done. There are a lot of words there and you did really well. We are nearly done with day 10. Amazing. We're going to go over our sounds one more time. Again, just you, not me. Do you think you can do them faster? I know you can. Now we're going to play our game. Let me take some away. We ready? Which one was missing? Oh, let's see, which one am I going to take away this time? You ready? Which one was missing? We've got P. And last one, which one am I going to take away? I'm going to take away this one. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Eh. Excellent. Day 10. You've done 10 days of the Phonics Boost. You should be feeling so proud of yourself and hopefully you are seeing a real improvement in your phonics skills and your confidence too. So let's give you a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow.